What up, man? It's your boy D-Bonds back with another video.
Dog, let me ask you something. Damn, dog, you did it again.
I'm smoking dope with some steppers, 2 pockets, a gangsta party. This Glock here up on my hip came with hollows to rock your body. Got 32 in this clip and one up top, shout out to Scotty. I've been a hot nigga before we got into it, Bobby.
Got the 17 and 19 slide. You heard me. What up, gang? You already know what it is, man. It's your boy D-Bonds back with another banger, man. Hey, Snotty Nose Gang, Snotty Nose Gang. They hit your boy with a strike yesterday. And that was because of the AR lower receivers. And they said I was trying to show how to build, which I really wasn't trying to show anybody how to do anything. I said it in the beginning of the video. This is not instruction video, and he still hit me with a strike. So with that being said, yeah, it is what it is. But last night, I printed something, as y'all see right here, and what I printed was some slides. My thing is, I want to start building my own firearms from scratch. You feel me? So that's the whole point of me 3D printing, but it's not even just because of firearms. I want to do a lot of things in general. You know what I'm saying? You know, I need to probably get a graphic designer to help me do design some stuff, but I'm gonna come up with my own. So what I did was I printed 2 slides last night. I printed a 17 and I printed a 19. Now the 17 came out pretty fine without any issues. Now, however, the 19, like I told y'all, I put too much glue and look what happened. It melted it. You feel me? And I did not like that. This overall took me like 4 hours to do, bro. It could have been worse, but what the heck. I just want to see if these things will work. I'm going to get me a metal 3D printer. You feel me? So I can start doing my own barrels and all the other stuff. So right now, I'm just playing around with stuff and trying to get it together. So we got the regular slides, and then we got the 3D slides. So what I want to do is I want to put my pieces inside here and see if it will work. Now, however, when you look at these right here, you can't put nothing else up in there. A little sight or whatever, and your back plate, but other than that, nah, it's not gonna work, buddy. So with that being said, let's get busy. Alright, so the first one we're gonna start off with is the 19. Even though it is messed up, we still gonna put it on there. This ain't no the real thing. Like I said, is just test this. I just want to test it and see if it do what it do. Hey, that's alright. It's alright right there. Like I said, you ain't gotta worry about putting this in there. Your little pen, y'all know what I'm talking about. It ain't real, so don't expect it. Like, you know what I mean? Alright, got that beauty piece on there. Moving on. So let's try this 17. The 17 now, let's see. Now. So we got the 17 and we got the 19. You feel me? So we got the 17 and we got the 19. Let's see if they're gonna work on here. I want to see if they're gonna actually work. So the first one I'm gonna try my P80s. All right, that's it. It's on there. I ain't gonna rack it back or nothing like that, but you know, got that on there. That just look crazy though. That just look crazy, man. But it's definitely in there though, man. It's in there. That's alright. Let's try the 17. Let's try the 17. It's alright. It's not bad, dude. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. The back is a little out, but y'all know why. Because of that plate. That plate usually keep it in place. So that's why you always gotta have a plate on there, you dig? I mean. Or a lock. And lock. Hey. Okay. So that works. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. That's decent. I don't know if this one gonna work too, but nah, this one ain't gonna work. I forgot this one broke up. But shit, man. Hey, that's hard though. That's decent, man. Y'all can't tell me that ain't decent. So, yeah. I know that's a success. So, all I have to do is just this right here. Put this lever down. And put that baby down. And that thing worked. That's alright right there. I like that. That's cool. That's decent. That is very, very, very decent. I didn't think that was going to work, but it actually worked. I'm really impressed. So if I really was to make me a slide, it would definitely work. But now I just have to figure out the other things where the channel line is going. You feel me? So that'll be my only issue as far as that. We tried it. It was a success. I ain't gonna hold you, man. I ain't gonna hold you. It was nice. Pretty nice. So it's pretty hard. That is pretty hard. And they both 3D printed. Both 3D printed. So y'all seen this one work really nice. This one, it went on, but I'm gonna do this over. So that's all I wanted to see pretty much, man. So like I said, I like the files. I'm gonna keep them. I'm just gonna figure out something else. If y'all got any if it's any other builders out there, man, drop a comment out there, let me know. And I'll definitely put the work in, man. Y'all know the work ethic crazy, so it ain't about nothing. You heard? So yeah, we did the slime for the 17 and the slime for the 19, the review. It went pretty sweet and solid. So I'm satisfied about that. I'm very satisfied. And it came out pretty smooth too. So like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. It's your boy D Bonds. I'm out.